Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Oyster Perpetual Cosmograph Daytona. You are looking at a Everose Oysterflex combination. This is the 116515 Lunette Noir, the black bezel and ceramic from its original sale in 2017 through the present. You can see this watch is well preserved. Back in 2017, Rolex started rolling out a series of precious metal Oysterflex Daytonas. This one in Everose combines with the strap bracelet called Oysterflex, and you can see that is an official name, not a nickname. It is a nickel titanium alloy internally, which means it's actually a bracelet because you can't cut it or separate it. The adjustments are done by fitting different lengths of it, which are available, and then there are several different adjustable elements in the clasp that you'll see in a moment. Now, in terms of size, 40 millimeters in diameter, 12.2 millimeters thick, which is quite slim, 47.5 lug to lug with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lug. But keep in mind, I can't directly convert a standard Daytona to look like this because you'll need this little insert that actually requires the removal of the bezel to insert or remove. So just keep that in mind. If this looks very integrated, there's that extra little end piece that you'll find on Daytonas that are natively strap watches or strap style watches from the factory. So we'll do a quick alley-oop right here. Throw this watch on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. And we will move the sleeve out of the way so you can see my wrist. My wrist is 16 centimeters circumference. I can assure you this is a compact watch. I'll do my best to capture it and seat it evenly. I could wear this on a wrist as small as 14 centimeters. There's absolutely no encroachment by the lugs against the edge of my wrist. It's super flat. It'll fit under a dress cuff. It's an easy formal watch if you wish to wear it that way. And you can see from over the top, which always exaggerates the width of a watch, it is still far inboard of the edge of my wrist. I'd even say if your wrist is 13.5 centimeters circumference and flat across the top, so a lady's wrist, you could wear this quite well. And I've seen quite a few women wearing Daytonas successfully. Taking a look at the Oysterflex now, a fascinating piece. We first saw it back in 2015 on Yachtmasters, and it's an unusual piece because it does look like a strap externally. It's designed to seem very integrated and organic to the shape of the watch, and even has some moldings in it that echo the design of a oyster bracelet. And you can see that this Oysterflex, like the watch, is a pre-owned piece. There's some small imperfections, but it has absolute structural integrity. Bellows on the bottom because there are a couple of different lengths, but there's not infinite adjustability. There's not an infinite number of different options and lengths available. These little bellows mechanisms help to cinch it down on the wrist, and in addition to helping to aerate the wrist, they also provide a little bit of a margin and elasticity for it to fit if you don't have a perfect match between wrist and Oysterflex. The watch is made of Everose red gold, which is a combination of 75% gold and then a lot of copper, and then smaller amounts of platinum family materials and even indium, which is something not commonly seen outside of certain types of electronic screens and displays and semiconductors. Taking a look here, we've got two locking factors. One is a spring-actuated lift lock system where you have a beak and then a hook, so those two things latch, and then you've got a clamshell lock as well. And I should mention that Everose is notable because it is forever rosy. Since it was introduced in 2005, the idea is that it will always stay as red as it is, whereas conventional rose and red golds will start to fade over time. Taking a look inside, we've got the EasyLink 5mm tool-free adjustment system, snap in, snap out for quick on-the-fly changes. And then we've got 3 pairs of divots drilled inside. You can see them there. So you can dismount the spring bar, change the anchoring point of the Oysterflex inside of the clasp to fine-tune fit. We've got polish on the case, some satination on the center links. We have screw-down crowns and pushers. You can see 3 dots on the primary crown. The center one is the largest. That means a trip-lock crown in gold. We have an Oyster case back screwed in. Underneath it, Rolex manufactured caliber 4130. Bidirectional automatic winding. 72-hour power reserve, 4 Hz beat rate, 44 joules, overcoil hairspring for consistent timekeeping no matter what the orientation of the watch. That overcoil is also a blue oxidized niobium zirconium alloy, and niobium zirconium is highly anti-magnetic. Full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance, and the free sprung balance via Rolex micro Stella adjustment nuts, capable of allowing the Rolex watchmaker to adjust this very precisely. And to that end, the watch would have been set as a superlative chronometer before it left the factory, tested fully assembled in 6 positions to run no worse than -2 +2 seconds per 24 hours. Hence, superlative chronometer. It is better than a COSC chronometer movement because it is a +2 -2 per 24 total watch. COSC is a 2-week test of a bare movement. Column wheel actuation for the chronograph. And the 4130 has one of the best feels among column wheel chronographs, also a vertical clutch. So if you want to leave the chronograph running, there's no additional wear and tear. Remember, lateral clutch can entail extra wear and tear. Lateral clutch also creates jump, stagger, or extraneous motion. There's none of that with the vertical clutch. And finally, it's a fairly large movement at approximately 30.5 millimeters in diameter. If you love this watch, which has a 4 Hz beat rate, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. We're not quite done, though, because, as you can see, we have Rolex's distinctive chromolite blue lume, which is true dusk till dawn luminescence. And then we've got a dial that is a lovely black lacquer with rose gold elements, including azurage or concentric patterning within the registers. We have solid gold for the indices, the hands, and the Rolex crowns. They will never oxidize with time. And then a lovely rose gold gilt printing with a bright red Daytona just above the seconds register at the bottom. And if you do wish to set this watch precisely to a reference time, when you pull the crown out, you will actually stop the movement. So although the small seconds can be a little bit hard to see, you can actually synchronize it to a reference time. I haven't sufficiently wound this watch, but a little interesting note, other Rolex movements from the 3200 series, they actually are 70-hour movements. This is specifically a 72 per Rolex, so every little bit counts. Again, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details of this 100-meter water-resistant 3-day power reserve vertical clutch column wheel Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Cosmograph Daytona. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a Certified Pre-Owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company, the certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.